Alright, it is 6 o'clock. We are launching. It is time. Hey, on the way out, turn on your side scan, look for that boat.
Oh, I forgot about that.
It's right here, like 40 yards off the ramp, something like that. I'm gonna try to find it right now. I'll see you out there, man.
Alright.
I'm not seeing it. I need to turn on my microphone, huh? All right. Now the microphone should be on. Yep. Them ducks scared the crap out of me. Oh, here it is. On the boat. That's a different boat. But yeah, we are heading to our spot. It is 6:03. This is a No Bad Days Kayak Ladybird Lake Austin tournament. Last I saw, there was 97 of us, I think. 5 fish limit, 12-inch minimum. Launches at 6, which just happened. Lines in 6:30. Lines out. I wrote it down. Hold on. Lines out at 3. Photo submissions cut off at 3:30. Awards around 4. Likely about 4:15, 4:30. We're gonna go fish and try to catch some. It's always the goal, right? Step 1 is catch a fish. Step 2 is catch 4 more. We are heading out for step 1. All right. You know what? I should get this rigged up and ready. Oh, 2 minutes is my alarm. Ow, that's a finger. All right, we got 2 minutes to launch. Hope you guys are excited. I know I am. Well, good luck, man. I'll see you in a little bit. I'm stuck. All right, 6:30, man, according to T-Mobile. That's lines in. Stop recording. Stop recording. Oh, I turned voice control off. What? No, it's just getting heavy. Now I'm deep. That was weird. Maybe it wasn't a fish, but it definitely felt like one. I guess we'll never know. There we go. There's one. Don't lose them. All right. Fish one. Oh, he swallowed this thing. Stop it. Ah, dang it. Go. All right. All right, now how big are you? It's a 12-inch minimum. And you are 16. That's a good fish to start the day out with. Nah, close your mouth. 16.25. Mouth closed. 16.25. First fish of the day. 16.25. Hey, dang. Nice one. Better than a 0. Oh, the boat's gone. What's up, bird? It's usually a little less murky over here. Come on. There we go. Oh, it came right out. There we go. All right. Fish number 2. And he's stuck. Oh, the net's stuck. Oh, yeah, you're gonna go. You're gonna go 14, sir. Stop it. Oh, yeah. 14.5. Mouth closed. 14.5. All right, number 2. Hey, your friend's over there. Go talk to him. Tell him to shut up. We should try catching fish today. More fish. Oh, come on. There we go. That was a struggle. That was stupid. Come on, Kevin Bard. That's a good one. Oh, come on. No. That was a good one too. That wasn't no little fish. Oh gosh. Well, it's 10 o'clock. I've caught 2, lost 2. One that I lost was actually pretty good. Well, still got 5 hours for 3 more fish. That's doable. It's 10:10 right now. Oh, that's a fish. Oh, I lost it. He hit hard. Oh, dang it. Come on. What do I do? So I'm just stay in there. It's not crowded. Ain't any fish right now, which would kind of help. Maybe they're fixing to stage up. Maybe they're coming in. It is 10:45. I've caught 2, lost 2. I guess I've lost 3. I don't know. I've missed 2 hook sets and then I lost 1. So whatever that equates to is not 5 fish limit. It's 10:45. That's a good one. I mean, I guess it's not that good, but don't lose it. Yeah, finally. 3rd fish. Let's get out of here so I don't want to ruin the spot. Oh, that's 3. And he's a keeper, for sure. All right. Stop it. Close your mouth. 14.5. Oh, 14.75. All right, mouth closed. 14.75. All right, stop it. All right, go. Swim away. Swim, swim. There you go. Hey. Holy jeez. Oh. I floated into the spot anyways. All right. Let's get him submitted. Then we'll cast back over here again. Oh. Submit catch. It's 14.75. All right. 22nd at a 96. All right. Let's go again.